Alright guys, I didn't want the last video to be too long. If you didn't watch it, then watch it right now. So I planned on just stopping the video and then starting to record another. So I might post them separately. But it's not like you really care or anything because. Okay, so we're at the coastal quick stop. Let's go back up to the top. Even though the last video didn't really have any rules, I think for the rules with these videos, I'm going to make them so I have to do 3 rounds each video. But this is a really fun game. If you don't have an account, I recommend getting one. Because these games are pretty good. Oh, thanks. Tornado, why not? I think I'm dead. I'm dead. And then we get the signature oofing noise. Should have just went in that tunnel like I did last time, and then that sea bass 01 guy was in there too, but he didn't break the ground barrier like I did. Oh, hello. And don't come back. Oh, look, and now I think it's flying. That's a UFO right there. Oh, now it could be first person. Might be the best this way, actually. I think I'm gonna keep it this way. Tell me in the comments below if you think I should keep it this way. Hi. I'd never add you as a friend, sorry. Thanks. I hope we get to the next map now. Insure blocks. Oh, the glass office. Yes, the glass office is my favorite. If you heard me talk about it in the last video, it's like the other one, but it has 2 layers. But I guess I just noticed it lately that it was less taller than the other office. But still, this one is as nice. Okay, and that's all for today's video. Sorry that this video is so short, and bye.